At the end of the day, whether or not those people are comfortable with how you're living your life doesn't matter. What matters is whether you're comfortable with it. I just want you to know that if you are out there and you are being really hard on yourself right now for something that has happened, it's normal. That is what is going to happen to you in life. No one gets through unscathed. We are all going to have a few scratches on us. Please be kind to yourselves and stand up for yourself, please. Be courageous. Challenge orthodoxy. Stand up for what you believe in. When you are in your rocking chair talking to your grandchildren many years from now, be sure you have a good story to tell. Everyone has inside of him a piece of good news. The good news is that you don't know how great you can be, how much you can love, what you can accomplish, and what your potential is. We must let go of the life we have planned, so as to accept the one that is waiting for us. We have to be better. We have to love more, hate less. We've got to listen more and talk less. We've got to know that this is everybody's responsibility. Never bend your head. Always hold it high. Look the world straight in the eye. I believe that if you just stand up and go, life will open up for you. Something just motivates you to keep moving. Life has got all those twists and turns. You've got to hold on tight and off you go. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go and see what happens. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. I desperately need your help. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos. See you soon in the next video. Until then, this is your boy, Pancham Kumar, over and out.